Hey guys, I am Kyle, and today's video I am going to show you how to make red Taylor Swift's version in Infinite Craft fastest tutorial. So let's get started. So the first one is water and earth, and then you want to go for fire and wind, and then you want to add these two up together, and you'd have incense, and then you want to add a smoke in there, and then add another incense right here, and then once you have angel, add smoke into it, and then you want to go for an angel again so that you'd have human, and then add another human to create family, and then add another human again to create baby, and add another human right here, and then add another baby to create teenager, and once you have teenager, add another teenager right here, and add love once you have love, and then once you have heart, you would want to add another love so that you would have Valentine. Once you have Valentine, add teenager, and once you have heartbreak right here, you want to go for water right here, and then add another water, and then another water, and then earth right here, and once you have continent, add lake into it, and then you'd have America, and then go for fire, and another fire right here, so that's volcano with another fire, and then water. And now once you have stone, you would want to add lake right here, and then you want to add earth into the lake, and then add another earth right here, and then you want to go for fire into the mud. You'd have brick, and then once you have brick, add family into the brick so that you'd have house, and then add it to stone. You'd have castle, and then add human into castle, and then you'd have queen and add it to America. You'd have American queen, and then duplicate that. You'd have king, and then once you have king, is that you want to add queen into the king so that you'd have prince, and add love into the prince so that you have princess. And all you have to do now is go for combine this two right here, and then you'd have Taylor Swift. Now that you have Taylor Swift, what you want to do is go for water and heart to create blood, and then once you have blood, you want to go for smoke right here. So you want to go for two smokes together right there, and then you'd have cloud. Once you have cloud, you want to go add water to the cloud, and then add another water to create rainbow. And once you have rainbow, you want to go look for house right here. So you would want to look for house. So let's see, where is that house? Right here. So once you have the house here, then what you want to do to the house is add another house right here. You now have town, and then add another house to that so that you'd have city. And then once you have city, you want to add another city to create metropolis, and then add another city for megalopolis, and then add another human to that to create politician, and then add another human, and then another human to create Obama. So once you have Obama, add rainbow into Obama, and then you'd have hope, and then another Obama into hope to create change, and then go for combine it with rainbow, and then combine color with blood. Right here, you'd have red, and then combine red with Taylor Swift. You do have red Taylor's version. So that is basically it.